So what's going on, guys? This is Amitesh here from Weird Technologies, and today I'm announcing a new series on the channel. Now this series will be called Snapseed Tutorials, and this is the first video of it. Now why I did that? Because Snapseed is a very versatile application for editing photos, and there are a lot of things that you can do with Snapseed, but not all of us know all of the things. Heck, even I don't know all of them. But as in due course of time I am learning, I thought why not learn together. So here it is, the first video of the Snapseed tutorial series on this channel. In today's video we're going to learn about how you can edit your photos in the portrait style. In layman's term, you can edit a photo like this into a photo like this. So without wasting any more time, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and let's get started. So now guys, let's start. Firstly, go ahead to the Google Chrome browser and go to Google Images and type in pure black. Now download a wallpaper or a background which is completely black and save it to your gallery. Now go ahead to the Snapseed application, open up the image you want to edit, and then go to the tools section and click on double exposure. Now in double exposure, click on the add image option, then select the black image and make sure that it covers the image that you want to edit perfectly. Now click on OK and then click on the blend mode and select it to darken. Now you will see that the whole image has become dark, and then just click on the right option. Now go to the top right corner and select on view edits. Now in the view edits option, go to the double exposure part and then click on it. You will see a brush option, which is the mask tool. Now click on that and then you will see that you are given with your original image and some values at the bottom. Now scale it up to 100 and then select the portion that is not your subject, that is your foreground, the part of the image that you want to be in focus. And your subject for me is my friend Aditya, so I want him in subject as in the main focus, so I'm gonna black out the whole background. So you can just use a stylus or you can use a finger to minutely black out every part of the image apart from the subject. And keep one thing in mind, you might have to redo it a number of times. So to redo it, just scale the value down to 0 and then you can rub the area and you will see that your images again got the same look as before. Now once you have done the whole of the image, that is you have covered the whole of the foreground with your finger completely apart from the subject, just click on the right click button and you will see that the whole image has darkened. There will be a few parts here and there which will be white. It will take some time and practice to master it. Even I don't have that skill to master it, but I have improved over time. But that can be fixed in the later tools that we are going to use. So now just click on enter and you will see that the subject has been differentiated and your background is completely black. Now just go to the black and white option and you will see that the image has taken a different look. Now click on the contrast option or natural option, whatever suits your image best. For me it's the contrast option because it looks a lot better. Now to enhance the image even more, you can just tune the image, adjust the brightness, contrast, and decrease the saturation value as much as you can, and also decrease the warmth of the image, and you will see that it gets a pretty decent look. You can also play around with the curves to get that faded look, and all in all you can see that we turned an image like that into an image like this. So in this way you can do that portrait kind of edit. Now just put on your logo and export the image and you are done. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for the first video of the Snapseed tutorials. If you are interested in more videos like this, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and thanks a lot for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.